So guys, welcome to another vlog, CarFreak 458. Due to this situation, as you know, we are all kind of a lockdown and everything, so I don't want to brag about it so much. I just wanted to give you an update about this video. It's supposed to be the video from 3 parts. Basically, the first part where the car is getting in preparation for the restoration and kind of final touches and polishing, and then adding some of the additional customized details on the 488 GTB. Then the second part should be somewhere during the process, and the last part will be the final product of the 488. But as I said, due to this situation, we are all kind of restricted from moving around, and you know, we all have to stay safe. So I'm uploading this video as it is at this moment, and then hopefully when this whole thing is over, we might be able to see that 488 GTB as a final product, considering that the garage also is not working these days, and they cannot do much, as well as I cannot come and record. So I will just upload a couple of, you know, photos of how the car looks like, so you can have an idea, and then I will upload the whole process of getting it ready for the customization and you know, polishing and getting it ready, fine-tuning. Also, there were supposed to be some of the features that are supposed to be done on the engine, as far as I understood. So let's see, maybe in the future I will put kind of this video of preparation together with the final product if it comes. If not, then it is what it is. Apart from that, it's very, as I said, it's very hard to move around the place. It's very hard to move around Dubai these days, and it's very hard to get any content out, considering we can just go to the groceries and pharmacies for an emergency, rather than working or hanging around, going to the desert, going to the beach, and all the other stuff, which is not allowed. Also, I have some previous content that I was recording prior to all this lockdown and everything, so I'll try to dig into my folders and try to compile some of them together to make a nice video, as well as I used to be recording some of the videos from my current car, so I'll try to see if I can get something together to put a review of that Mazda 6. And also there is a very funny video coming up, hopefully within the next week or so, so stay tuned. It's going to be something different. It's going to be something where I'm kind of trying to you know, adjust to the current situation and everything while the lockdown is going on. So yeah.
going, keep it going. Okay, turn the other way. Full. Go. Easy पीछे कर दे ना बस. Go, go, go.
Don't forget to give it a rev at the end. Straight, straight. Tell him to rev. Asmat, tell him to rev it. Nice. Nice one. This is how it looks like when you're fully restoring the 488 GTB, guys. We're gonna record the second part when the car is done. At the moment, it's under the restoration. This lovely V8 engine.
So this was a short video. The guys in the garage getting the car out. You know, they took all the parts. The back is completely destroyed. You can see there is no door even in the car. And then luckily they were so nice to, you know, rev it up a couple of times so you can hear that V8 engine that 488 has. The car is still there. You know, only God knows when it's going to start the you know, the whole process and everything. But as I said, it was just a short video of the 488 GTB Ferrari getting out of the garage, revving it up a little bit, and then you can see that car is completely, you know, demolished, destroyed, or whatever it is, you know, reassembled, if you want to call it that way. So hopefully, I mean, you know, fingers crossed that we will be able to film when the car is ready, considering that that's supposed to happen once the lockdown is done. Once the lockdown is done, I'm supposed to get back to work as well, so I don't know how much time I'm gonna have to go around and record that, but hey, there's always a weekends, so let's see if the car is gonna stick long enough into the garage so we can go and film the final product, because I'm pretty much sure that you're gonna love it, and you know, I'm sure that I will love it because I'm a huge Ferrari fan. So that's it for today's video. I know it's short and everything, but as I said, I'll try to put something together from my old videos that I used to record previously, and then hopefully you're gonna guys like it. It's not gonna be the Lambo or a Ferrari or a McLaren, it's gonna be Mazda, but hey, it's better something than nothing, right? So just to keep you guys, you know, happy, to keep you guys engaged, and to record something for you at the end of the day. And so that's it. As I said, like, share, subscribe. CarFreak 458.